Is your money doing acrobatics trying to get from your Patriot Bank checking to your savings? Or maybe you're trying to shift funds to cover a bill from one account to another, and it feels like you need a secret handshake and a decoder ring just to make it happen. If you've ever felt that slight ripple of confusion, that tiny sigh of there has to be an easier way when it comes to moving money within your Patriot Bank accounts, then you're in exactly the right place. We've all been there. You've got your hard-earned cash, neatly organized, or perhaps not so neatly, no judgment here, across different accounts at the same bank. Maybe you've got a primary checking account for daily expenses, a savings account for that dream vacation, a separate fund for emergencies, and perhaps even a dedicated account for that exciting new hobby you've picked up. The beauty of having multiple accounts is the ability to compartmentalize and manage your finances effectively. The challenge, however, often lies in the seamless movement of funds between these very accounts. It's a bit like having all your favorite ingredients in the kitchen, but sometimes figuring out the best way to combine them for the perfect meal can be a head-scratcher. This isn't about transferring money to another bank or sending funds to a friend. This is purely about the internal logistics of your money, making it dance from one Patriot Bank account to another with grace and efficiency. Think of it as a financial choreography lesson. You've got your performers, your funds, your stage, Patriot Bank, and now we're going to learn the steps to make them move effortlessly. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why this knowledge is so valuable. Understanding how to easily transfer money internally empowers you. It gives you immediate control over your finances. Need to quickly move funds from savings to checking to cover an unexpected expense? No problem. Want to boost your savings with a portion of your latest paycheck? Easy peasy. Are you building up a specific fund for a down payment or a large purchase? Being able to move money into that designated account instantly helps you stay on track with your financial goals. It removes friction, reduces stress, and ultimately puts you firmly in the driver's seat of your financial well-being. So, are you ready to become a Patriot Bank money transfer maestro? Let's get started. We're going to explore 3 primary methods for transferring money between your Patriot Bank accounts, using the online banking portal, leveraging the mobile banking app, and for those who prefer a more personal touch, visiting a branch or using an ATM. Each method offers its own unique advantages, and by the end of this, you'll be able to choose the one that best suits your lifestyle and needs. Method 1. The online banking portal, your desktop command center. For many of us, the online banking portal is our go-to for managing our finances from the comfort of our homes or offices. It offers a comprehensive overview and robust functionality, making it an excellent choice for internal transfers. Here's a step-by-step guide to transferring money using Patriot Bank's online banking portal. First things first, you'll need to log into your Patriot Bank online banking account. Open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, whatever you use, and navigate to the official Patriot Bank website. Look for the login or sign-in button, usually prominently displayed in the top right corner of the homepage. Once you're on the login page, enter your user ID and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, don't panic. There are usually links like Forgot User ID or Forgot Password that will guide you through the recovery process. Always ensure you're on the official Patriot Bank website to avoid phishing scams. A good practice is to bookmark the official login page to avoid typing it out every time. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your online banking dashboard. This is your financial control panel, displaying an overview of all your accounts. You should see your checking accounts, savings accounts, and any other accounts you hold with Patriot Bank listed. Now, look for an option that says Transfers, Move Money, or something similar. This is usually found in the main navigation menu, often under a section like Banking, Accounts, or Payments. The exact wording might vary slightly, but the icon or general placement will usually indicate its function. Click on this option to initiate a transfer. Upon clicking Transfers, you'll typically be presented with a transfer form. This form is designed to be intuitive and straightforward. You'll need to specify 3 key pieces of information. From Account, this is the account from which you want to withdraw the money. You'll likely see a drop-down menu listing all your eligible Patriot Bank accounts. Select the account you wish to transfer funds from. For example, if you're moving money from your checking account to your savings, you'd select your checking account here. To account, this is the account where you want the money to go. Again, you'll have a drop-down menu of your Patriot Bank accounts. Select the account you wish to transfer funds to. Following our example, you'd select your savings account here. Amount, enter the exact amount you wish to transfer. Be careful to input the correct numerical value. Double-check for any typos. Some online banking portals also allow you to add a memo or a note to the transfer. This is entirely optional but can be incredibly helpful for tracking purposes. For instance, you might write emergency fund top-up or savings for vacation. Once you've filled in all the required details, review them carefully. This is your chance to catch any errors before the transaction is processed. Confirm that the from account, to account, and amount are all correct. After reviewing, click on the Submit, Confirm, or Transfer Now button. Patriot Bank may then prompt you for a final confirmation, perhaps asking you to re-enter your password or provide a one-time verification code sent to your phone or email for security purposes. This two-factor authentication is a common and important security measure. Once confirmed, you should receive a confirmation message on your screen indicating that the transfer was successful. You might also receive an email confirmation. The funds are typically moved instantly between your Patriot Bank accounts, meaning they will be reflected in your account balances almost immediately. Method 2. The mobile banking app, your finances in your pocket. In today's fast-paced world, the mobile banking app has become an indispensable tool for managing finances on the go. Patriot Bank's mobile app offers a convenient and streamlined way to transfer money between your accounts, often with just a few taps. Here's how to do it using the Patriot Bank mobile app. First, ensure you have the official Patriot Bank mobile app downloaded on your smartphone or tablet. You can find it on the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Make sure you're downloading the legitimate app from Patriot Bank, not a third-party or imposter app. Open the app and log in using your user ID and password, just like you would for online banking. Many mobile banking apps also offer biometric login options like fingerprint or facial recognition for quicker and more secure access if your device supports it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.